Mm. Kini. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Look, what is this now? Look. What letter is this? Ayan. Notes. Yay! Very good si Mama. Si Bian. No. Papa. Mama. Babus. Bibi. Square. Good, Papa. Bite, Papa, bite. Bite, Papa, bite. Ice! Yay! Ice! 2 eyes with Papa. That's not bubbles. Yay! Wow, it's a bubble. It's Mama. Where is the nose of Papa? Where's the nose of Papa? Where is the nose? S. F. What's that? F for father. S for Saturday. S for snake. Snake. Wow, bull. Yay. S for snake. Month of January. This is February. R Y A U R B E F. Slip na ka, slip. Slip ka na. Baby Pokemon. Yeah. Look at this. This is P. Baro lang si Mama. Baro si Mama sa bibi. This one, nak. What letter is this? No. Very good ang bibi ni Mama. Ay, very good lagi ang bibi ni Mama. Wala lagi ka na. Huh? Magdalo-dalo sa asa, mag-cryo na. Sulat siya naman. E is for apple.
Apple.
A, baby.
Apple.
A.
Apple.
A for apple.
Titik.
Teeth. It's a teeth. Wow! Wala na. Guhit sa gitna.
Chicky. Mama.
Nama. Papa.
Papa. Hands.
Hands.
Shoes.
You drew a shoes. Is that a shoes? Oh.
No, Jimmy.
Yes. Mama. Mama. Papa yang mama. Hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the fingers. Oh no. R. Draw R. Yay!
Mama.
Yay! Yay!
Go.
Draw a C.
Go.
Wow, what's that? It's a circle. Oh, you. Oh. Yay. January.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. What's that? It's a bubble.
Green.
Color green is the bubbles. Wow, very good.
A B C D W.
Letter C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, G. Sorry. No, dahil shortcut si mama. Wala man to shortcut. Ang tit. Eat. Eat is for eating. Eat. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, yay ang eyes. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yay. This one, what is this? Draw a circle. It's 0. Yay ang eyes. Yay ang face. Yay na. Oh, no. What's that? Yay ang ears ni Papa. Wala na. Naday na si Papa. Pangit na. Ugly na si Mama. Yucks na dirty. Pangit. Pangit anak. Ew. Ugly na si Mama. Oh my God. Yes. Is square. Look at the square na. Here, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square. It's a box. It's a box. You draw a box. Sleep na ta? Go to bed na. Kugos na mama. Ha?
Kugus na.
Sleep na ta? Kugos na?
Kugus na.
Ta, let's go. Let's go na. Up na ka. Kugos na. Sleep na ta. Yeah. Ali, up na. Ali, kugos. Ha? Kugos na. Kugos na. Ano pa? Notes. Sa si Bibi notes. It's January. Notes for January. J-A-N-U J-A-R-Y. January. X, baby, X. You draw X, B. What's that? Ito ba? Ito. Ano na sa hands, dirty? Ano? Yak. Ano na? Ni dirty.
Mama, 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 mama.
Shoes. Draw shoes. My 3 years old baby. Let's go to bed na, dali. Pugos na ta, dali. Good evening. Welcome to our vlog. Welcome to our channel. No, dirty. Hello, good evening, Evap's channel. No, anak mo man. Dirty, no? Dirty na, oh. No, dirty man. Dirty ang baby, lablab ang baby. Ano ha? Lablab lang ang baby, no? Sige. What number is this, na? What number is this?
No.
What number is this? What number is this? Mag-bed naman ta. Nakugo sa tabi. Wala ka. Wala ka. Paakan di ka na mamang matamis sisli. Yan na. Pwede na ka umaan na. Wala. Asan to? Oh no! Nadagan! Kung nakita si Bia na labod. It's a centipede. Yeah.
Yuck. No. Ew.
Ew, no. Honor na, labod man tanak. It's labod. Draw si mama ang bird. Up. A. A is for apple. Apple. B is for bull. Bull. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. J is for goat. Goat. Goat.
Apple.
S-T-U.
No, Dad.
A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. Frog. J is for goat. H is for hand. Clap hand. I is for ink. Ink. J is for jar. Jar. K is for king. King. L is for lamb. Lamb. M is for mama. Mama. It's a mother. M is for monkey. 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 D is for N is for what? It's NB. Noodles. N is for noodles. Noodles. O is for ocean. Ocean deep. Ocean deep. O is for ocean. Ocean. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snake. Snake. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Where's the umbrella na? Umbrella. Hala, look na. Yuck. Yuck. U is for umbrella. What is this? U, umbrella. V is for violin. W is for water. X is for xylophone. Y is for yellow. X is for Z is for zebra. Yay! Sleeping si mama. Na, sleep na tayo. Gusto ni mama. Sleeping si mama. Go to bed na tayo. Dali. Let's go to bed. Let's sleep. No, sulat. Wala na din na. Dirty na, oh. Dirty na. Yan, sleep na ta. Gusto ni mama. Dali. Come here na. Dali, stand up. August na. Dali, August na. August, baby. August na, baby. Sleep na, baby. Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Gabi na ito sa bed. Good night, guys. Good night.